Hi boys, welcome back to the channel YouTube. I'm Navy Dad, this is Rusted Bolts Garage, and this is part dot 5, I guess you'd call it, of the V6 to 454 swap. So what had happened was the actual part 1 that'll come out next week got too long because I wanted to include removing the bed, and anyway, yeah, so this is just a short one because, you know, didn't want to make it too long. But I do want to apologize for not getting the video out yet for installing the mirrors. I know a couple of people have asked about that, and I'm working on it, but really what I have to do first is get the truck back on the road. But it is coming along. In fact, here's a little snippet of how some of the testing's going. The doors are already set up and ready. I've just got to build a wiring harness to use the stock set of mirrors instead of the big ass trailer mirrors because they're just too big for the truck. But here you go. Well, still a little fitment left to do. Those are GMT800 mirrors on a GMT400. Got them to fit. Still little adjustments to do, but probably overkill for this little truck. It would look great on a dually though, that's for dang sure. But this all means that those GMT800 power folding, turn signal, heated, puddle lights will fit here. And painted blue. So we'll see. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Okay, so this is just gonna be a quickie. Probably. We'll see. Anyway, this is a how to remove the bed, short bed specifically, long beds, I'm not sure you could use this tool for that, but doing it by yourself and even on a steep driveway, which I don't recommend. That was pretty stupid, but it worked. So this particular tool used to be really cheap on Amazon. I bought it about a year and a half ago for $119. It's now like $219 or some shit like that. Anyway, I'll put the link down below on where you can get it. But you're going to need an engine hoist, a good one with a long boom, and you can do this by yourself, and it's very easy. I know beds don't weigh that much, but you got to find 2 friends to help you lift it off. And sometimes you don't have that around, right? So you can do it yourself. So here's how to do it. Okay, so that is basically everything that holds on the bed to a 88 to 98 1500 short bed pickup. You have 8 18 millimeter bolts, and then you have 3 T30 Torx that hold on the gas door surround. Then you have 10 millimeter nut that's up front that is a ground strap on the filler. Then there's also a ground strap at the end of the frame, and then of course disconnect your harness, and that's it. And yeah, you see the blue right there? That's still factory Loctite. See, that's why you need to get a truck in Texas, because then you don't have to worry about rust. So, first order of business when doing an engine swap, remove the bed. What? Well, it said so in the manual. See? It says so in the manual. Wrong manual. Oh well, bed's off. Okay, so this, sorry about the wind, it's very windy right now. This is a truck bed removal tool that is to be used with a hoist. This is my handy dandy little Harbor Freight 2-ton Black Friday hoist that I got a few years ago. And this, I can't remember what I paid for this. I think it was like 99 bucks on Amazon. And it works pretty good. So this is how you can do a 1-person bed removal. I don't know how well this would work on a full-size bed. I think it'd be a little difficult because the boom arm, that's at maxed out going for a short bed, so I don't think it would work unless you put some type of extra boom, you know, a longer piece of steel in here, because it's not that heavy, and do it that way. But it will work on a short bed for sure. Okay, let's see how well this is or isn't going to work. No, I haven't done this before. Not with this. I pulled the bed off before, but using my buddy's lift. 454 parts for weight. Okay, so there you go. Pretty damn solid too. One person bed lift. Do it yourself. Do it on a steep driveway. Really sketchy, but it worked. Hey man, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So yeah, not only will Old Blue be getting a big buck, we're gonna finish up our drop and put the C-notches in. Of course, we gotta replace the fuel pump for the big block, and then I gotta paint the roof. Oh, how am I gonna get the truck in the garage if it's a steep driveway going down? Well, if fast attack Tahoe, of course. You don't think that big ass bumper I have in the front of that truck is just to scare tiny Priuses out of the left lane with California plates when 69 and 75. That's probably its primary function, but it'll push the truck in too. After sketchy shit, what do you need? Oh, beer. That's right. Okay, so that's just kind of a fun little short video on how to do that. It's pretty easy. So anyway, stay tuned because the actual part one of the V6 to 454 swap will start next week. So like, tag, share, follow, all that YouTube stuff, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Boys, be safe out there, and my son drank all my beer again. That's okay, there's TX whiskey. That'll work too. Y'all have a good one now.